Hello, I'm Vince and welcome to the Back Academy. Today we are looking at text substitution in macOS or iOS. It's a function that replaces some shortcut with a full line of text. To me, it's great when I want to help people. Just type in the shortcut and it replaces it with the full URL to the video I want to show to the people. Let's dive in. So where do you find this text replacement? You can find it here. That's 3 examples where I replace this expression with the full text that you can find here. Where would you find this? In System Preferences, Keyboard, Text. Here are the shortcuts. Here is the text that replaces the shortcuts when you type it. So maybe I want to use this video. So I grab the URL. Here I type Teams Devoir, because that's a video in French about houseworks. Comment donner. Here, right? So that's the full text that will replace Teams Devoir with all of this. If I want to send a mail, maybe to myself, and I type here is the video, and then I type the shortcuts. See? It replaces my shortcut with the full text. So that's it. That's how it works. Now you can do this every time in this box, but you can also export everything. You select all the lines, you drag them on the desktop. That's the list. The list is some kind of XML. How does it work? Well, it uses a phrase and a shortcut. So the phrase is the full text, the shortcut is the shortcut. If you want to do another one this way, so you just copy and paste one of the segment. So here you can do maybe forms. I take this one. So that's the URL to my video. And that's the shortcut I want to use. I save this. Then I import it like this, and here is my new shortcut. So if now I want to use this shortcut, here it is. So once again, I'm Vince. I hope this tip will be useful to you. Don't forget to be nice in your comments, because trolls are only fun if they dance, sing or hug. I hope to see you next time. Thank you and bye bye.